God, I do make a lot of noises. Right, you are compliant today. You are brimmed. Plan for today. We've got 4 stops. See if I can remember them, because that's telling me everything about where I need to go. Stop number 1 is the Yorkshire Moors. So we stayed close to it, but we didn't go to it. So we're gonna go lovely over the moors. Stop number 2 is Rosebury Topping. Stop number 3 is Highforce Waterfall. And then stop number 4 is Bamburgh Castle. It looks like we've got the weather right now, but things are going to change. I think we've only got till 1 o'clock, and then there's a high percent chance that it's going to start shitting it down. We should have wet weather gear on. Let's make the most of the day that we have, and that's kind of like another reason why I'm not doing Heartside Pass as well, because if I push all of the things I need to see back in the day, then I'm not going to enjoy them as much, because I did Heartside Pass and then I get shit weather for the rest of the day. It's a bit sad, but we'll come back and do Heartside Pass another time. What a great start to the day already. These roads are putting me in the mood. Dodgy, 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 dodgy. F me. Now I thought I was about to go see someone get splattered. Just when I was starting to have a nice time, got stuck behind this van. That looks moory. Way bird. Actually ducked. Oh yes, love it. Love it. 10 out of 10. I don't think you're going to be able to hear anything I'm saying. So, hey, sheep, sheep, sheep. So we'll see you when I stop. So 6 minutes, 4 miles till we get to Rosebury Topping. The topping of Rosebury. If I had the will, the effort and the energy, then at Rosebury Topping I'd bloody climb the bloody thing, but that. Oh, there it is, look. That's Rosebury Topping. Alright, let's go now. It's quite a good car park. We'll investigate the one that I plan to go, but if not, that one works quite well. I don't think we can see yeah, you can't see oh shit. This definitely wasn't the way in, was it? Right, we'll turn around and we'll go to that other car park because it looks better. Perfect. Oi. Okay, here's stop number 2. And that is lent over. We should be fine. Rosebury Topping. Google Maps, or sorry, Google describes Rosebury Topping as a hill in England, and I'm very much inclined to agree with that assessment. Alright, that's it for Rosebury Topping. Sorry I didn't go up it, but that. Cool, that is day number 2, stop number 2. 2 more to go. The Yorkshire Moors and Rosebury Topping are all both very close to each other. Highforce Waterfall isn't too far away either, and then it's a slog up to Bamburgh. Hello sir. Hello sirs. Hello sir. Oh, he gave me a little flash. There's the biker nod, the biker wave, the biker stick your foot out. He did the biker flash. You didn't get his out. Okay, you're going for it. Thank you for pushing me to the side of the road. Right, I imagine we'll just be sat on this for... Actually, it's only 5 miles. But probably going to be a little bit boring for a bit, so... We'll get back to you when something more interesting happens. Oh, I'm very achy, my arse hurts, my hand started cramping up. Hopefully this will be fine to leave it here. It's a very nice place. Go buy some tickets. Just got back from Highforce. That's a bit of a lie, actually. We just got back from the toilets, which weren't very nice. Very glad I didn't need to take a because they were pretty grim. But Highforce was super cool. In fact, let's go on the road and we'll talk about it a bit more. Yeah, the actual waterfall itself was a little bit of a trek to get to, actually. It wasn't that bad on the way there because it was all downhill, but coming back up, the weight of my bag, the motorcycle boots, my trousers, the camera, my helmet, carrying all that shit uphill, yeah, it wasn't too easy. So I'm feeling a little bit jelly legs. But it was amazing. I think it's honestly my favourite stop so far. I could have sat there all day looking at it, honestly. I wish I had actually more time. And I'm probably going to say this about most stops I go to, is I wish I had more time. And that's something that I already think that maybe I could have done a little bit better on this trip, is plan for myself to stay at these places a little bit longer, but it is what it is. We'll learn for next time. But then again, if I planned to stay for like an hour at each of these places, I'd never get anywhere, so we probably do have the right balance between seeing the sights and pushing on. And the road that leads you to Highforce was fun, and it looks even more fun on the way to Bamburgh, so... Well, actually, we're on the way to Otterbum or Otterburn, something like that. Essentially, I just don't want to... I don't really want to go that close to Newcastle. I'm not feeling cities right now. The mileage, it's not starting to get to me a lot, but I definitely feel much more fatigued than I did yesterday. And yeah, riding through cities just requires another level of concentration that I just don't think I really have at the moment. And I'd rather be on roads like this than straight, boring dual carriageways. Ride safely. Thank you, sign. I will. But that is stop number 3 done. What time are we on? 1:45. Now would be the decision to go to Hartside Pass or not, but I honestly... I think it would just be too much for me today. I'm actually really looking forward to just... Whoa, that drops to the left. I'm actually really looking forward to just getting to the hotel, settling in, and a pint actually. Okay, well this road, look at it. How f***ing awesome. But ride safely, Jarvis. Do what the sign tells you to do. I just want to stop every second and take in this landscape, but I'll never get anywhere if I do that every time the landscape's stunning. But this is stunning. Oh my god, what road is this? Look at this! F*** me. Sorry I'm getting really excitable, but look at it. Day number 2. I really need to just soak every moment of this in. Everyone's so good, thank you. I think the real danger for me right now is not me going too fast, but me just looking in completely the wrong direction because I'm not looking where I'm going and the scenery is so fantastic. A little bit of rain, but that's okay. As long as it doesn't get worse. Wow, miserable. Miserable every way we look now. Okay, wet weather gear. I should have wet weather gear on. It's already starting to soak into my clothes, but it's too late now. There's no point, is there? I'm already soaking wet. Oh god, this rain, man, it's heavy. Off! Blue sky, come on. Why are you doing this to me? It's rain. Look, blue sky above us. Stop it. Bus. It's a bus. Bus. Why is there a sign that just says bus? But just bus. What does that mean? Bus. Bus this way. To get on it? Or what? No, just bus. You read the sign, didn't you? Okay, we've randomly got just good weather. Clear. Okay, don't look that way, but clear skies. Don't look up. Look, clear skies. And only 15 minutes till we're at Bamburgh. Oh, what a day. Day 2 has been epic. God, we have done a long day today though. And yeah, if we'd done Hartside Pass, it would have been too much for me. It would have been exciting obviously, but it would have been too much. I'm already starting to feel the pain on the bike. Well, I wasn't quite expecting just the ocean to be there. We're getting really close to our 4th stop of the day, other than the hotel. Can I see it? Can I see it? Yeah, there it is. Bamburgh Castle. That's a castle. That is what I would call a castle. Oh god, I literally can't bend my legs. This is the last stop of day 2. I'm shattered now, honestly. Bamburgh Castle. It's cool as f***. It's a lot bigger in real life than I thought it was, actually. It's on Kenilworth Castle, that's for sure. I am really starting to feel quite low energy, fatigued now. But to be fair to myself, it has been a really long day. I'm glad we didn't decide to do Heartside Pass, because I might have ended up being too tired to come here, so it is what it is. I do need to sort my diet out. I'm pretty sure living on samosas and cold cans of coffee probably isn't too good for you. But yeah, Bamburgh Castle, super cool. Right, 20 minutes ride to the hotel, and then we are done with day 2. But what a day. It's been a great day, if I'm honest. I've loved it, every second of it. Even the rain hasn't ruined the day, so I am actually... honestly, I'm so tired, I can't even speak right now. But 20 minutes till we get to the hotel, so this could be the end of the video for day 2, actually. Not sure there'll be anything else en route to talk about, so thanks.